DNA evidence often helps to prove a prosecutor's case, but not in the capital murder trial for Antonio Armstrong Jr. Fox 26's Damali Keith is live at the Harris County Criminal Courthouse to explain why. Damali?
Yeah, a DNA expert testified this afternoon, and although she is a witness for the prosecution, what she told jurors did not prove who murdered former NFL player Antonio Armstrong Sr. and his wife, Dawn Armstrong. Jurors often want to know a killer's DNA was found at a crime scene. However, in the capital murder trial for Antonio Armstrong Jr., who's charged with murdering his parents as they slept, DNA expert Courtney Head says this case isn't that simple. Head says because kids and parents share DNA, it's hard to pinpoint or exclude any Armstrong family member as the one who left touch DNA on the gun, on the pin used to write the "I've been watching" note that was left beside the gun, and the kitchen drawer where the pen and paper were retrieved. Antonio Sr. and Dawn Armstrong were shot to death in their Bel Air area home in 2016 when Antonio Jr. was just 16 years old. A firearms expert also took the witness stand, saying the murder weapon was a semi-automatic, not automatic, meaning the killer had to decide to pull the trigger to shoot Mrs. Armstrong twice and Antonio Sr. once. Prosecutors say Antonio Jr. killed his parents as they became increasingly upset with him for failing grades, alcohol, and drug use. Defense attorneys point to flirty text messages between Antonio Jr. and his girlfriend an hour and a half before his parents were murdered.
Within 90 minutes of him supposedly executing his parents, he's having kissy faces with his girlfriend. That makes no sense whatsoever. And I've always thought that these text messages actually help us way more than they do anything to harm us.
A home alarm expert is expected to testify for the prosecution tomorrow, saying that the home alarm was set and that no doors or windows were open for hours before the Armstrongs were murdered. Reporting live from the Harris County Criminal Courthouse, I'm Damali Keith, Fox 26 News.